How to disable or enable memories in Google Photos. This tutorial shows you how to control whether you see memories and reminders in your photo gallery. First, open the Google Photos app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. From there, tap on Photos settings from the menu. At this point, scroll down and tap on Preferences. In the next step, tap on Memories to access memory settings. Following this, tap on Memory Types to view available options. Once done, you'll see two toggles, Time-Based Memories and Themed Memories. From here, toggle off both Time-Based Memories and Themed Memories to disable all memories. At this stage, memories will no longer appear in your Photos tab. After this, if you want to enable them again, simply toggle them back on. Once completed, your settings will be saved automatically. And that's it. If this Memories Customization Guide helped you control your Google Photos experience, give it a like, subscribe for more Google Photos tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.